yung pustiso na hulog.
We have a special guest! Ako i-acknowledge ko lang. Kasi ito yung aking mga, syempre, through the pains of this organization, ito ho yung mga una kong nilapitan. I'd like to acknowledge, of course, direct from Bangkok pa to. Pinabiyahe ko pa ho. He arrived last night and ngayon umattend po siya. My first revolving fund came from him. Hoy, Lito, hindi ka dito. Engineer Lito Espiritu. Let's give him a big hand. Nung wala akong kaperahan ng organisasyon, nilapitan ko na ho siya. Siya ang unang na gano'n. Lito, hindi ka. And I'd like to acknowledge also the Spyro 5. Alam niyo mo kayo yung Spyro 5? Sila ho yung binubuli ko noon. So, I'd like to acknowledge Lito, of course, Dr. Jessie Bautista, the only doctor in our batch. Hi, Doc Jess, di ka dito. Doctor, hindi kasi nakikilala daw yung ating, yung iba nating classmates. Where are you, Dr. Jess? Yan, okay. Pag pumunta ko kayo ng Tarlac at aksidente kayo, lapitan nyo na lang si Dr. Jess.
I'm Dr. Jessie Bautista from Tarlac. Panamatang kayo kami ito bago just drop by sa Panigit Tarlac. I hope we can see each other sa Panigit Tarlac. Thank you and nice to see you, batchmate. Hindi kayo tumananda. Thank you.
Pag nag-medical mission tayo, pwede siguro masahan. Okay. Then of course, naman, ang ating isa pang mahal na Spyro 5, si Vic De Leon. At sa artistahin na yan.
Wala naman ako sasabihin. Kaya ako ni Lucy. Yeah, I'm happy I was able to join you guys here. This is the first time na nag-join ako sa homecoming ng Rojas. Iba pala. Hopefully the next time I'll be available again sa ganitong kapatid. Thank you very much.
Okay, may commitment na si Vic. Of course, si Fidel. Kilala natin si Fidel. Fidel, saan ka na? O yun, Fidel. Ang ating chick boy. Actually, lima po sila na very close to me because you know yung time ng high school days, sila ho yung tagadala ng Shingaling ko. I used to sell Shingaling in Sampaloc noon. Ngayon, pag uuwi ho ng Rojas, sila ang taga-bit-bit. Binubuli ko talaga sila. And then, when this came up, yung talagang organisasyon, sila ho ang mga unang nilapitan ko and they never failed to help me. So, okay, mabuhay ang Spyro 5. Let's!
Good evening, everybody. Natutuwa ako, nakita ko ulit kayo after so many years. But isa lang invitation ang nilalap sa inyo. Whoever go to Bangkok, sagot ko kayo lahat. Lista nyo isa. Basta dumating kayo doon, I will give you my contact. At lahat ng titirahan nyo, nakatira po ako sa condominium and then I will book you already. Yun ang promise ko sa inyo. Whoever go there, you will contact me.
Maraming promo sa Bangkok, mapapasubo ka. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from the bottom of my heart, I thank the Spyro 5. Okay, can we?
Please welcome Miss Jean Neri.
Palakpakan naman.
We could tumble like a wave.
Palakpakan naman natin, everybody!
We could scatter like a leaf in a storm. We could sail like a note and over the joy that love we had shown. We could back up like a breeze made and we could chatter like a hug made of glass.
We could crumble like a castle of sand, and made a wheel like a rose on a vine. We could say we are free, not love it makes sweet, and try second time. Giving each other love every day. A little goes a long, long way. Yeah, we could have it all. Yeah, we could have it all again. We could have it all again. It's doubtful and you fall. You're out of your love that you got it. Your mistakes and you try again. Give each other love every day. A little goes a long, long way. Yeah, we could have it all. Yeah, we could have it all again. We could have it all. We could have it all again. I admit wasn't always so happy. And I could swim. Love is just a game that you can play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow every day. I love you more each day. Believe in every word when you say I love you more. Now I can swear love is not a game that you can play. Tell me what you say. Till I met you.
Actually, naumpisahan na po namin ni Architect Garcia yung implementation ng tuturo po yung mga Mapua teachers to upgrade the level of education sa chemistry, physics, ano pa ba yung math? Oo. Every Friday po, nandun yung mga Mapua teachers. Yesterday, I was there. May isang bus ho ng teachers who are really teaching the students. Ano na? English, math, science. Ayan. Okay, sige, Pia, tuloy mo pa yung technician.
We have our group also, 173. Magkakandak po kami ng isang medical mission through Rotary Club of Intramuros and Physicians for Peace. So, meron po kami 5,000 iframes. Ang kailangan lang po namin is donation sa mga lenses and optometries. And I'm working out sa Batch 73 also na mag-donate together with Mapua Institute of Technology yung mga computers. So, sa ngayon po, ay yun lang muna. So, Lucy.
Let's give Architect Garcia a big hand. Kasi yung mga computers po ng Mapua, pwedeng ibigay sa Rojas High School. Kasi ina-upgrade mo nila yan every 2 years. Eh yung guidance nga ho na dililigawan kami, meron pong darating. And sila Philip na po ang bahala, yung next batch of elected officers. Thank you!
It's cha-cha time!
Alright!
Let us all dance the cha-cha!
We need power.
Okay, the Balbon of the night. Yan ang mga spirit, darling. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow batchmates, let's welcome the Balbon of the night, Ayet Garcia!
Ayet Garcia!
Architect Garcia, Balbon of the night. Patunayan mo nga. Asa na Balbon?
Ano ba yung Balbon of the night, ma'am?
Balbon of the night.
Alam
Ito
ko
yung
na.
award mo.
May bigote. Wow!
Asan si ano? Your wife. Asan na ba si wifey? Kailangan i-award mo, darling. Asan si ano? Asan si Belle? Di ka Belle? Imagine, naswerte mo, Balbon of the night. At our age, may balbon pa siya. Ayan, picture-picture, Kodak moment. Okay. Ay, ano daw, yung proof.
Sa dibdib daw may
Sa
balbon
dibdib may balbon. Wow. How sweet. Ha? One more daw, one more. Kodak moment. Smile. Wow, sweet naman nila. Sino po yung nagkatuluyan talaga? Kaya imagine.
Classmate.
Next, ano tayo, darling? Binibining pansinin of the night. Hyper female.
Hyper female.
Sobrang talaga hyper to. Kanina pa. Okay, Miss Jean Neri. Jean!
Yan. Yung tinatawag na galawgaw. Kaya man.
Kulang na lang, matador dito eh. Jean! Kodak moment. Kodak. Kasi pang FB yan eh. Bounce! Yan, pa-frame mo yan.
Ito lalaki.
So, we have Dan Olaso. Dan! Baka magka-develop pa yun, mag-print pa ngayon yun.
Okay, next. Mahiyaing bulaklak.
Mahiyaing bulaklak. Very quiet female. Naku, napaka-mahiyain ng bulaklak. None other than Belinda Garcia. Belle, where are you?
Very mahiyaing bulaklak.
Mahiyaing bulaklak daw. Nakahiya. Yan yung award ko pa. Frame mo yan, darling. Ha?
Yan, itong next natin, napaka gusto ko. Gusto ko to.
asim pa award.
Yan, may
Fresh,
asim pa
fresh
award.
looking female.
Ano ba yung may asim pa award, ma'am?
Yung parang dato puti na may suka. Bakit ba? Si Atty. Presi Green ngayon, bakit na ibang party daw yung may asim? Okay. Okay.
May asim pa award.
Miss Eduardina Avendaño.
Wow!
May asim pa award.
Titingnan na natin kung may asim.
Tingnan nga po natin.
Titingnan ba amoyin? Titingnan.
Wow, may asim pa award.
You know?
Oh, escort mo si Del. Fidel, escortan mo naman. Ano yung sayo mo dyan kanina, hindi mo in-escortan.
Tsunami walk na naman si ate. You know?
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Eduardina. Talaga naman. Oo. Picture.
Ang kapal ng foundation. May asim talaga.
Oh, Maginoong Ngunit Bastos Award. Bruce Dumel. None other than ang naglagnat, Mr. Ed Mendoza.
Maginoo. Medyo bastos.
Wow, naman.
Ayun na. Parang bastos lang, hindi maginoo.
Natatakot ako kanina tingnan si Ed sa gilid eh. Baka ano ko nang makita ko eh.
Bakit? Wala ka bang acceptance award? Speak?
Talagang iumiya ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Kaya lang siguro, mahal ko yung batch natin, yung batch 73. Abo! Ang batch 73!
73! Wow!
Diyos ko!
Buhay na buhay pa rin.
Okay, congratulations! And of course, we have now Mukhang High School pa rin award.
Hanggang ngayon, mukhang high school pa rin.
Mga young-looking female, none other than Miss Edith Sales! Saan ka?
Edith!
Where are you?
Hindi nagbago pati buhay.
Ito mahilig sa FB eh. Maya-maya may
Wow.
posting. Edith! Ito na, ikotak moment na daw natin.
Yun o. Pang-MB pa rin.
Para may weakness.
Kala ko si Dora.
Wow! Yan, talaga naman. Looking yan. Nasa Malacanang ho siya kung gusto niya mag-tour.
Okay. Doon muna tayo sa early bird, no? Male or female? Ang criteria natin dito sa early bird is it should be at the time na nag-register siya, open na talaga yung registration booth natin, naka-attire na tayo, ready to mingle and party. Okay? So, ang nanalo for that particular prize, special prize is Adora Bernardo, earliest bird. Congratulations!
Adora.
Rosie Barrera.
Rose Barrera.
And a third winner is Opelia Aquino. Ay, nagkano? Mamerto.
Presi.
Presi.
Mamerto.
For the guy, sa lalaki, ang winner natin is, costume is Bembol Romero. So our cash prize here was donated by the sister of Ed Santos. Head turner. Head turner of the night, female. Winner is Richelle Gomez.
Yan, yung bigla kang mapapalingon. Kunyari nadaan sa'yo, bigla mapapalingon. No? Yun ang head turner. Stiff neck.
Ang macho man of the night, ang katambal ng head turner of the night na female natin is Jessie Bautista.
Macho man of the night. Ito naman yung lalaki naman to ha. Mapapalingon din kayo. Tignan nga natin. Wow! Mapapalingon nga. Ayun, si Doc.
Thank you very much.
Next will be for the
Wala kayo pala pinatawag niyo ako,
for the
ha?
most generous patron of Batch 73 Philippine version. None other than Miss Violeta Ali. Thank you so much, Violeta, for all the support you've been giving to Batch 73.
Most generous. Ito na yung pinaka-last natin. Star of the Night. Goes to... Wait, alam niyo ba yung Star of the Night? Sino nakakalam yung Star of the Night? Yung maraming star. O yung makintab yung suot. Yan, parang early warning device. Pag tumayo sa EDSA. Hindi yun ha. Ang Star of the Night. Okay, yung total package niya. Mula sa kasuotan. Yan, paano niya carry yung suot. Star of the Night. For the male, Star of the Night goes to... Isagani Espiritu. Wow! Yun o. Siyempre, mayroon tayong chair dito. Lucy Bocar! Yan! Wow, tama nga yung sinabi mo.
Picturean niya ako, ano?
Para...
Corona! Paano ba yan? Ay, tanggalin mo muna. Ano ba ito, Corona ng ano? Pilig talaga!
Sino magiging beauty queen? For the night.
For the night lang to, ha?
For tonight, yes.